Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Mac OS version and ensuring you have an admin password because settings locations differ by release. Once done, open System Settings and navigate directly to Control Center or Network depending on your Mac OS. This first step locates the menu bar toggle for VPN. Make sure to keep the VPN app closed so the system option reflects the built-in control. Otherwise, you may see both icons and get confused during the next steps. Now you modify the specific preference that controls the icon. In Control Center, find VPN and toggle off Show in Menu Bar so the system stops displaying it. This removes the built-in icon. If your Mac OS uses network preferences, select the VPN service and uncheck Show VPN Status in the menu bar. This prevents status display. After changing, restart System Settings or log out and back in to ensure the change persists. This confirms the system has updated them. Finish by addressing third-party apps. Quit or uninstall any VPN client that recreates the icon because many apps manage their own menu items. Once done, reboot your Mac to clear lingering processes. If the icon still appears, reset Control Center preferences or remove the app from login items to stop automatic relaunch. One key troubleshooting tip: make sure the VPN client isn't set to launch at login, because even with system toggles off, an app started at login can re-add its menu icon automatically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.